Okay, the trophy, where's the trophy? Ang trophy, friends. Ayan. Okay, here are the sponsors for the consolation prizes. Mr. and Deputy and OPC Miss Lilibet Belio, our soon-to-be upcoming. Congratulations, Sinunod Festival of IPC. Next, may we go on. Thank you so much and congratulations. President Sean from STC. President Sean from STC. Nandiyan na ba? Umuwi na sila? Sino ang available na? For the consolation prizes, are you ready there? Kuya Ray, halika Kuya Ray. Mag-award ka ng Kuya Ray Bison, please. Si Vice. Vice. Asa si Vice? Okay. O, ikaw na sa pera, mama. May we go on the next consolation prize, Pahiyas Festival. From the Overseas Filipino Workers Friends at Work. Ayan. Pahiyas po, Pahiyas. Congratulations and thank you so much for joining. Ayan. Miss Angela. Si Miss Angela na kasi Miss Elsie. Nandyan pa po? Wala pa sila. May we request Governor Yenet and Partner Nancy to award the consolation prizes. Another consolation. Ayan. Pakikuha po yung i-award. Okay. Congratulations and thank you so much, Violet Sacalye, the Philippine and Ugong Bisaya. May we go on the representatives of Violet Sacalye, the Freedom of Friendship, para makuha po ang award.
Ayan na!
May we call on Master Peter Spigar. And of course, the choreographer. Yes. Si Manager Elsie, ang ating choreographer. Ayan. Nag-business sila. Thank you so much and thank you for joining and congratulations. Ugong Bisaya and Freedom of Friendship. Magkasama yan. May we call on Mr. Imran and Mr. Estelios to award the next consolation prizes. And Mr. Imran, yes? Congratulations! And thank you so much! The consolation prizes from asan na yung mga mag-a-award?
Oh,
Lou. Thank you so much and congratulations, Silly Gainon. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we go to the top three. For the third place. Third place. Ang presenter natin dyan, Mr. Ingram, may we request your presence here please to award the trophy for the winner. And Lorna Mendoza, please. Miss Lorna. In behalf of Ate Lilian. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to our third place winner of Festivals of Festival, none other than Gold Festival! From the Pipulog Tigil de Rivera. Ayan, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating third place winner.
Akyat ko rin eh.
Ayan. Yes. Oo. Picture muna, picture. Ayan, picture muna sa ating third place. Okay? Congratulations, Team Politico de Rivera. Thank you so much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the second place of the Festivals of Festivals, none other than Ati-Atihan Festival! Federation of Philippine Organization in Cyprus and Blood 101. Ayan. May we request Lourdes Flores, nasaan si Lu? Ayan, sandali lang. Kukunin muna natin yung mag-a-award. Ayan si Lu. Escortan ko muna siya. Kanino ibibigay ang trophy? Ayan, magpipicture ka sa kanila. Ayan, tabi kayo ni Manang Esther. Dito tayo.